What's up, Wonders of London fans? This is your tour guide Rob, outside somewhere very iconic. Of course, we're just outside Buckingham Palace, and here indeed we do have our beefeaters just guiding there. Of course, iconic in their red uniforms and big fuzzy red hats. This one's just about to have a little bit of a walk, so I thought I'd film this for you. We're just outside Buckingham Palace in the facade. Do note that the facade was added later on by Queen Victoria, but this palace was originally built by the Duke of Buckingham in the year 1703. There he is, a little guard having a walk back. I shouldn't call him that. He's just little from over here. I'm sure he's taller than me. There they are, and they will guard for about 2 hours at a time. Where they are not allowed to talk or drink water. And of course, if you're here, you can go and visit the Queen's Gallery and shop. It's quite a quiet afternoon here. And of course, it's always worth going and checking out Wing Victory and the Victoria Memorial. They built this to remember Queen Victoria, who was indeed the longest reigning monarch until our current queen, Queen Elizabeth II, managed to knock her off her perch. Not literally, but just take that spot, you know? Of course, lions guarding the statue and Queen Victoria, and indeed the memorial. And as you would expect, pigeons all over everywhere in London. This being the infamous balcony and facade of Buckingham Palace, where indeed you might see the royals waving when there's cause to give addresses, ceremonies, etc. Guys, thank you so much for watching this little video here with us, Wonders of London. We'll be back real soon. Take care.